In a small city, a young man named Mike lived with his parents. He believed he was very smart, but in reality, he was making the biggest mistakes of his life. Most of his time was spent on his phone, scrolling through social media, watching useless videos, and hanging out with friends. It was often 1 or 2 o'clock at night, and he was still staring at his screen. Mike's father was a poor laborer who worked hard every day to support the family. He often said, "Son, some decisions must be made at the right time. If you miss the right time, you may regret it for the rest of your life. Work hard today, and you will rest tomorrow." But Mike always smiled and replied, "Dad, I'm still young. Let me enjoy my life. Work and responsibilities will always be there." His father stayed quiet, but he worried about his son's future. One morning, Mike's father became very sick. He gave Mike some money and said, "Son, I can't go to work today. Please go to the market and buy the things we need." Mike went to the market. On the way, he saw a poor man sitting quietly beside a wall. His clothes were old and torn, and his face looked full of sadness. Mike walked over and asked, "Sir, you look very worried. What happened?" The poor man gave a small smile and said, "Today, some people called me a thief without any proof. They only judged me because I looked like someone else." Mike felt sorry and said, "That's very unfair." The poor man took a deep breath and said, "Son, their words didn't hurt me as much as my own past. The truth is, I was once just like you." Mike was surprised. The man continued, "When I was young, I wasted my time on my phone, useless friends, and entertainment. My father told me every day that today's right decision creates tomorrow's success, but I always said, I'll change tomorrow. That tomorrow never came. I didn't study, I didn't learn any skill, I didn't listen to my parents. One day, my father tried to guide me, but I shouted at him. Finally, my parents became tired of my behavior and asked me to leave the house. Today, I have no home, no respect, and no job. Every day I think, I wish I had made the right decision at the right time." Then he looked at Mike and said, "Remember this, son. A better tomorrow never comes by itself. It is built by today's right choices. If your parents are still alive, respect them. If you still have time, don't waste it. If you choose the right path today, you won't regret tomorrow. But if you keep saying, 'I'll change tomorrow,' one day tomorrow will come, but the chance to change will be gone." Never forget this. Making the right decision at the right time is one of the greatest strengths a person can have. Those words touched Mike's heart. He quickly bought the groceries and returned home. As soon as he entered the house, he hugged his parents with tears in his eyes and said, "Mom, Dad, today I finally understood that our future is not made by luck. It is made by the choices we make today. Today, I decide to change my life. I will work hard, serve you, and stop wasting my time. I want a future that makes me proud, not one that fills me with regret." His father asked, "Son, what happened? Why did you suddenly decide to change?" Mike replied, "Dad, today I met a poor stranger in the market. He told me the painful story of his life. His mistakes became a lesson for me. His advice opened my eyes." From that day on, Mike left his bad friends, reduced his unnecessary phone use, worked hard, and made serving his parents his first priority. Lesson: choose now for a better tomorrow. One right decision today can change your whole future. One bad habit today can become your biggest regret tomorrow. So choose wisely today.
because a better tomorrow is built by today's choices. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories and improve your English speaking skills with us.